Thinking of getting crafty for your wedding? Here are 5 of our easiest wedding DIYs.
Welcome back to Bride Society. I'm Rebecca, this is Laura, and today we are talking about our 5-ish easiest DIYs for your wedding that are on our channel. So we have a lot of things you could craft for your wedding, but there's a lot there. So we're trying to narrow it down for you to some of our easiest, kind of simplest do with low craft skills kind of thing. So if you're thinking you want to DIY your way through it but kind of don't know where to start, you're new to kind of doing that kind of thing yourself, yeah, this is maybe where you can start. Say low skill but a reasonable amount of impact.
And if you're interested about some of the maybe equipment you want, we also have a separate video on that about kind of your DIY wedding essentials, where kind of a paper guillotine is very handy when it comes to wedding planning.
So we are talking about things probably paper craft related. Paper is quite easy to come by and not too scary to work with. And quite simply do our ones where you grab a heart-shaped paper punch and you've got yourself some confetti. So obviously these video links will be in the description box below, so you can jump right there as well. And
if you're taking it one step up from just punching out shapes in paper, place settings, so you can either print your names or stamp them. We stamped our names on these ones. They're pressed flower place cards. You may, as a child, have pressed flowers. Maybe you've got an old flower press lying around somewhere. Get some of those pressed flowers out, stick them on some paper. There's your place cards.
Or creating a sort of lavender or other type of flower, dry flower centerpiece. So we did this using lavender and simply dried lavender and gluing that around a tall vase to create a nice look. Again, super simple, limited equipment needed, but it's quite visually effective.
And if you're thinking about when your guests are eating at the wedding breakfast, you might want to have some jazzy napkins. Now, a really cost-effective and fairly easy DIY for this would be some napkin folding. So we've got at least a couple of tutorials on our channel with either ones that you can put cutlery inside, just a simple like pocket fold, or some more elaborate like lotus flower napkins that are still easy to follow instructions, and we'll just it's just something a bit different for your wedding tables.
Yeah, sort of details that get noticed. Yeah. So decorating your tea light holders. So whether you're allowed open flames or you need to get the LED ones to go inside, but again, different ways to just decorate those to go on your tables that are a cheap, easy way to create impact and create a look that ties in with the wedding that you want, but say low skill required.
And I know we've now talked about 5, but a 6th one, we can't resist a Munchkin pumpkin here on this channel. We have lots of videos featuring Munchkin pumpkins, can't even say it, but a very low skill, effective way to, if you're having an autumn wedding, grab a can of spray paint, spray it gold, and you've got a very kind of striking decor piece for very low effort.
Yes, yeah. So, yeah, so there's some of our easiest. There are other easy ones on there too, rest assured. We have a dedicated playlist on our YouTube channel of our wedding DIYs. So have a scroll through, see what you want to create for yourself, add it to your own watch later list so you can kind of come back to the ones that you've identified. We hope you find them helpful. Good luck with crafting your wedding. Tag us in any photos that you take of what you've done, because we'd love to see how things turned out for you. And if you have any questions, do comment in the comment sections underneath those videos, because we do look and try to help when we can, so you're not on your own. But we hope you liked that video. Please give it a like if you did, and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this.